Hello everyone, good morning. Okay, today I'm gonna finish the functions part 2. Yesterday I already explained the first part of functions. So right now I'm gonna explain the second part. Okay. So the second part of function we have. Okay, the first thing that we have, making and responding to a request. Okay, how we are going to make a request and how we are going to respond this request, and how, which means the answer this request or respond to this request. Okay, either we're gonna accept or refuse. Okay, request in Arabic we call it a talab. Okay, so a talab. Okay, making a request, we have a lot of expressions how we are going to make a request. We have could you please, can you, what do you think you could, do you think you could you possibly, do you mind. Okay, plus verb ing form. For example, you can say could you please give me your phone, etc. So if he or she is accepting that request, he or who or she is going to say he's sure, why not, of course, with pleasure. Okay, he's sure. Okay, why not? Okay, of course, with pleasure means that here, so we accept that request. Okay, so but if we refuse that request, we're gonna use these expressions. Okay, so for example, I'm sorry, I can't. I'm sorry, but I would love to, but okay, sorry to say that, but, and it sounds great, but, etc. Here we have a lot of functions how we are going to make and how we are going to make this request and how we're gonna accept and refuse that request, etc. Okay, so we're gonna move to another thing. Okay, so we have an example. For example, we have an example here, making and respond to a request. For example, we have, would you mind or would you please turn the TV on? Yes, of course. Okay, so here the one is accepting that request. Okay, would you please turn the TV on? Yes, of course. Okay, the second one, could you please clean the house? I'm sorry, I can't. Okay, I'm sorry, I can't. Here is that the one refusing that request. Okay, refusing that request. In the first example, so we make a request and we accept that request, but in second example, we make a request but we refuse it, okay, or we decline that request. Is it clear? So we're gonna move to another function. Okay, so we have another function. Okay, so this function we have expressing lack of understanding and ask for clarification. Okay, lack of understanding and ask for clarification. For example, we have the expression lack of understanding. What do you mean in Arabic? تعبير عن قلة أو عدم الفهم. Okay, so lack of understanding. When someone is explaining something, maybe you didn't get that point, you didn't understand. It means that you have lack of understanding. Okay, and we are going to ask for clarification. Okay, you're gonna ask for clarification means in Arabic طلب التوضيح. Okay, so you're gonna ask for clarification means that you are going to ask for more elaboration, something like that. Okay, so what are the expressions that we have to use if when we are going to express your lack of understanding? We can use I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon, but I don't quite understand. Okay, I'm not sure. I'm not quite sure. I know what you mean. I'm not quite sure. I follow you. Okay, I don't quite see what you mean. I'm not sure. I got your point. Sorry, I didn't quite hear what you said, and sorry, I didn't get your point. Okay, so here we have someone is explaining and you didn't, maybe you didn't understand something, you're gonna use these expressions. Okay, so you're gonna use this expression, I beg your pardon. We can say I'm not quite sure I follow you. Okay, I'm not quite sure I know what you mean. Then you're gonna ask for clarification. Okay, so you're gonna ask for clarification. For example, what are the expressions that we have to use? What do you mean by? Do you mean? Could you say that again, please? Could you repeat, please? Could you clarify that, please? So, would you elaborate on that, please? Could you be more explicit? Could you explain what you mean by? Could you give us an example? Imagine the teacher is explaining something, okay? So, and you don't understand, okay? You don't understand. You're gonna raise your hand and you're gonna say to the teacher, I beg your pardon. What do you mean by this? Okay, I'm not quite sure I follow you. Could you repeat, please? Okay, or could you clarify that, please? Would you elaborate on that, please? Etc. This is the meaning of what expressing lack of understanding and asking for clarification okay, is it clear? So I think it's so easy to understand functions in English. Okay, so we're gonna move to another function. We have complaining and apologizing. Okay, complaining and apologizing. What does mean complaining in Arabic? شكاية. Okay, complaining and apologizing means that how we gonna say sorry. Okay, means in Arabic الاعتذار. Okay, making a complaint. So how we gonna make complaint? So we have to use these expressions again. Sorry to say it, but you did something wrong. Okay, so sorry to say it, but your children make noise. We can say I have been patient long enough, but and you are going to state your complaint. Sorry, I have a complaint about etc. Okay, I'm afraid I have got a complaint about, or I want to complain about etc. So we have to use this expression. Then you are going to state your complaint. Okay, so you're gonna state your complaint etc. Okay, so you can say I have been patient long enough, but you park my car in front my house etc. Okay, so then you are going to accept that complaint when someone, for example, that he's that making a complaint, you can accept complaint and you are going to apologize. Okay, means that you are going to say sorry to him or to her etc. Okay, so we can say I am sorry, but this will never happen again. I'm sorry, but this will never happen again. Okay, we can say I'm sorry, we will arrange this. Okay, so I'm sorry, we will arrange this. Okay, so it means that here the one he's accepting or she's accepting that complaint, and he or she's going to apologize. Okay, I'm sorry, we will arrange this, or I do apologize. Okay, please forgive me for, oh, I didn't mean to etc. Okay, so how we gonna make complaint and how we are going to accept or to apologize for this complaint etc. Okay, so we're gonna move to another function. The function that we have addition. Okay, so this function we have addition, and we use it with this lesson in writing as linking words. Okay, linking words. Okay, we have addition. So how are we gonna express for addition? We are going to use a lot of linking words here. In addition, we have moreover, we have furthermore, we have also, we have as well as, along with, plus ing. Okay, we have not only but also extension. Okay, so here these functions, they are used in order to link between sentences exactly. Okay, and so as to express the addition. Okay, what do you mean addition in Arabic? Idafa. Okay, it's addition. We are going to add more information. Okay, we have Peter is hardworking. Moreover, he is intelligent. Here I give you more information about Peter. He is hardworking and he is intelligent. Okay, we have Peter is hardworking. Moreover, he is intelligent. Okay, so then we have another function here, as well as. Okay, we have rural women need education as well as healthcare. Rural women need education as well as healthcare. Okay, so then we have along with plus ing. We have along with being busy with her professional career, Susan managed her family life. Along with being busy with her professional career, so Susan managed a family life. Okay, then we have another linking word. We have not only but also. We have not only but also. We have women's magazines are not only criticized for being elitist but also for focusing on urban issues etc. Okay, so as you notice here we have we are going to add more information about specific thing. This is what we call addition. Means that we're gonna add more information about something. And if you want to add more information, we have a lot of keywords. We have in addition, moreover, furthermore, Also we have and, as well as, along with, not only but also, etc. We have a lot of functions, etc. Okay, so then I think the thing that we have today about function. Okay, so try to wait for the next lesson. I'm gonna explain another thing. See you and good luck.